How to update QU MATIX application to the latest version. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to update your QU MATIX application so that it can have better performance and get new features, here is how you can do it. First things first, make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network before starting the update. Now go ahead and open your Google Play Store, and in the search bar at the bottom center, type in QU MATIX. In the search results, look for this QU MATIX trading tool application, and once you're inside this info section, look for an update button if available. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately in order to download the latest version. If you don't see the update button, instead you see the open button, then it means your application is already updated to the latest version. You can also enable auto update for QU MATIX application. Go to the upper right corner and tap the three dots, and make sure that you've checked on this enable auto update button for auto updating the app. So right there you have learned how you can easily update to the latest version of QU MATIX application. Now your QU MATIX app is updated and ready to use. Keeping apps updated regularly helps you enjoy smoother performance and the newest features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.